So there's a car show here at the Rolling Hills SDA Church. So we'll just do a quick walk through here. The Willis Jeeps. A couple of Morgans here that you have seen before. Alfa Romeo Duetto. There we go, like this. It's a nice Thunderbird convertible, or I'm sorry, Firebird. Blue on white looks sharp. 326 V8. Take a look, that's got to be an automatic. Yeah, automatic. There's a fastback Mustang. Yeah, check it out. They've got all the Brazilian food here. They're doing a raffle right now. Beautiful fastback Mustang. Here we go. The GT350 Shelby. How about that? You've got the white, orange, blue.
Number 577. 577.
Take a look at these here. Got a nice 911. So 997, I believe. That's your first water-cooled Carrera.
On the Brazilian stand. All right? It's on the house.
Got another Porsche here. I believe this is a Cayman. Got a Cayman S. Beautiful Jag. Long bonnet like that. Here we go. This gentleman here pulling in on this teal. It's nice to get into action here. Sounds good. Got the traction bars in the back. I wanted to look at this Vega. This thing will just rip your face off here. Chevy V8. It's an LS1, looks like. This is really nice looking. Nicely done. Got the roll bar in there. Nice bucket seats. Automatic B&M shifter. Looks like the American racing style mag wheels. Really nice. This is unique. It's a wagon. Someone converted this Mustang into a wagon with a 2889 Cobra engine. Look at this thing. Featured in magazines, clearly. Wow. You can't mess with the Cobra. Big side pipes down there. 5-speed. Oh, it's a 5-liter Mustang 5.0. It's a good choice. T5 5-speed. Yep. There's a C8. There's a beautiful Bel Air. So that looks like a 57. It says all the trim on it. Got the fender skirts down there. Silver, orange interior. Matching the exterior. Got the Continental kit on the back. Yeah, this has all the bells and whistles. Good looking car. Very nice. Oh, here we go. It's for sale. Nice. See the overdrive switch right there, the wooden wheel. Got the scoop on the hood there to help feed the carburation and let some heat out. But here's this 37 3-window Lincoln Zephyr Coupe. This thing is spectacular. The owner said he lowered the rear end just a bit. You can see the engine here. V12, single carburetor, very original looking. Back here. Here we go. Got the big trunk. It's really great looking car. Chevy. We got a Bronco pulling in. We got the GT Ferrari 308 GT4. Saw that one earlier. All right, nice event here. Thanks for joining us.